Buy new fucking doors, dude. I don't care. Could have probably just done Bondo just as easy, but I don't have Bondo, so here we are.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Got a decent amount done since the end of the last video. The big hole I had cut out, I got it all prepped, cleaned up, weld through primered. It's ready to go pretty much. Just gonna wait on those ones, those two gaping ones. But I never showed this, the back one. Got the back plate all welded in, weld through primered, everything. Just needs to be painted over and seam sealed. Sheesh. Looks better from the bottom than it does from the top. Just get it covered by the carpet anyways. Doesn't really matter. Just gotta get one more plate cut out for the actual like part of the floorboard where the dead pedal is. Have it in my pocket right now. I just gotta go cut it out, trace it, cut it out. I'll show you guys the plates in a sec. I thought it'd be funny to show you that clip before. Fucking fender liner falls down on my head right as I'm about to do this. Hits the camera button, like hits my thumb on it. Anyways, there's the little cutouts I need. Little metal Lego cutouts. Pretty simple little shapes. It'll make more sense when they're in the car, but I'll show you when I got them all cut out so I don't cut my fucking finger off. Alright, yeah, so there's the 4 pieces. Took me about an hour, get them cleaned up about that. Cut them out, clean them up. Grinder and cut off wheel. Not too bad. A couple of them need a couple bends in them, but I'm gonna go scuff them up first. Get them ready, weld through primer both sides. Just a light coat. And then I'll show you them all mocked up in the car before I weld everything. Alright, so yeah, blah blah blah. All the stuff no one wants to see. Got them all cut out. I hand sanded them with the heavy grit. I don't remember what it was. I think it was like 120 or heavier. Just so I didn't lose a lot of material, because it's super thin sheet metal. I forget what gauge it is. It's like 22. Super thin. Anyways, that's all the plates. This one goes in first. I'll show you how they all go in, but just one by one. Alright, yeah, so that's the first plate. Got the back. It's pretty flush. There's a little gap here. That doesn't really matter too much. That's not out to the outside of the car anyways. Well, it won't be once I'm done. Then flush all up here. Mint. Only shitty part is right here. There's like, I don't know, 2mm gap. Once I have it all tacked around here, down here, mainly around this L, then I can just use the ball peen hammer and just hammer this bitch all the way in. Make it look a lot better. I could pull this down too. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I wasn't looking at anything. Couple wobbly pops. Oh yeah, well I could either pull it down like this, cover that gap a little bit, but it doesn't sit as flush at the top, or more flush at the top. A little bit of a gap can fill with seam sealer, don't matter. Yeah, I'll show you when it's all tacked in. And got the rest of it placed in. Okay, so kind of got a little out of hand and forgot recording, but got those 2 plates in. Didn't even show you the other one. Seen it at the beginning though. Doesn't look the prettiest. Couple gaps, whatever. Fill with seam sealer. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's better than it was. That's all that matters. Only thing that matters to me, no water, no nothing. Strong as fuck. That's all that matters. Seal with the seam sealer. Done and good. Oh yeah. Clean those 2 spots up too. Just quick on there. And swap. Quick on there. Ta-da. Just need to go get the little plate that goes over that tiny one and that tiny one. And let that dry, tack those in. Then I'm gonna sand them down, wire wheel them down, rust convert over everything, just to be sure. Rust convert turns into primer. Sand it a bit, prime it, paint it, seal it, done. Oh yeah, don't forget about that big plate too. Alright, so yeah, here's the other two plates. Left side little one. Right side. Just put a little like 45, like J bend on the end of it. Just at the beginning. If it needs any more, I'm just gonna hit it with the ball peen hammer. Easy, quick one too. Round it out. Round ends a lot easier than bending it with my bare hands and vice grips. But yeah, those are plates. Get them ready. Let that dry. Done. Well, doesn't look amazing, but it looks way better than it fucking did. That one turned out the best. Had my settings for the welder like pretty dialed in. That was the first one, second one, third one, fourth. Just gotta clean all that up. Rust convert, just like not this edge, goes around there, but all the top. Put the other bottom plate in tomorrow because it's fucking 1:30 in the morning. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys then. Okay, so I totally forgot to record any of this, but I got the big piece of the floor pan all in. Looks pretty good. Not the best, not the worst, but she's in there. I just gotta tack it in from the bottom, and then I'll clean all the weld up, rust convert it, paint it, and then I'll show you guys whenever I'm putting the seam sealer on how I'm gonna make it look half-ass good. Oh yeah, got it primed, painted. She's all mint now. I was gonna tape it all up, make it look really nice, but really there's no point. I'm gonna waste all that time for no reason. Carpet's going back in it anyways. You're not gonna see shit. So, just gonna seal it all up. Use my paintbrush. I don't know where it went. Painter on. Just over halfway down. Gee. Got it all seam sealed inside. Looks like fucking bubble gum. Let's go, let's go. Got the bottom all sealed up now too. Both plates. Alright guys, yeah, she's ready for interior now. Got it all sealed up. Everywhere's all sealed, ready to go. Just gonna put the interior in. When that dries, she's ready to go. So that's the end of this one, guys. Yeah, take it easy. Peace.